Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MailerLite to WordPress for accessible sign-up UI detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect MailerLite to WordPress for an accessible sign-up UI, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type MailerLite to find the MailerLite integration plugin. Once located, click on the Install Now button next to the MailerLite plugin. After the installation completes, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, locate the MailerLite section in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on MailerLite to access its settings. You will need your MailerLite API key, which can be found in your MailerLite account. Log into your MailerLite account and go to the Integrations tab. Find the API section and click on it to reveal your API key. Copy the API key from MailerLite. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the API key into the designated field in the MailerLite settings. Save your changes to connect your WordPress site to MailerLite. Next, create a sign-up form in your MailerLite account. Navigate to the Forms section in MailerLite. Choose the type of form you want to create, then click on Create Form. Customize your form according to your preferences, including fields. Once completed, click on Save to finish creating your sign-up form. After saving the form, you will see an option to embed it on your website. Choose the Embed option and copy the provided embed code. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want to display the sign-up form. Click on Edit for that specific page or post. Select the custom HTML block or the code block where you want to insert the form. Paste the MailerLite embed code you copied earlier into the block. Preview the page to ensure the form displays correctly. Publish or update the page to make the form live on your website. If desired, you can adjust the form styling using custom CSS for better integration with your site's design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.